Hello everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I'm going to show you this month's Let's Create Craft Kit. It's the August kit. So kits will ship on or around August 14th as long as nothing's on back order. And this month I'm using the Fun for Fall. This is such a cute set, and I've created some really fun projects for you. The price does not include the bundle, but you could always add the bundle. I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up, and I will include it in your kit. Just message me if you want it, if you are one of my subscribers. So how it works is my Let's Create Craft Kit is a monthly subscription. But if you don't want, usually the month before, I let you know what the next month's bundle is going to be. If you don't want that kit, you just have to cancel your subscription. It's all done through PayPal. I myself cannot cancel it. You have to. And then if you want another kit, you just rejoin again. It's pretty simple. So again, we're using the Fun for Fall dies. You always get at least $20 to $25, sometimes even more. Last month's kit, there was an extra bonus in there for you. So I went a little overboard, but there's usually 4 cards, 1 3D project. Sometimes I'll do 2 3D projects, just depending. So this month your Stampin' Up product is going to be this gingham the In Color Gallery Gingham DSP. I love gingham. Who doesn't love gingham? You're going to get a half a pack of that, a pack of the Moody Palette Glossy Dots, some linen thread, and you're going to have plenty left over to make more projects with. And let's get to these fun projects. So our first card, is going to be a gift card holder, which my gift card just fell out. So it's going to be like so, and it holds a gift card. Here is another card. This little scarecrow is so cute. You could customize them with whatever colors you want. Here's like a congratulations fun fold card. Super cute. I used all the ginghams. You can tell I used every color gingham. And then here is this little cutie. And this one is a treat box, and look how cute he is. He is sitting here on, can you see that? He's sitting on the hay bales saying happy fall, you all. So those are your 5 projects. You will get project packets that have the card stock, and then whatever dies are not included in the bundle, I provide for you. And I don't provide the gift card, just to let you know. Last month there's a little confusion with the seed packet. And so anyhow, that is this month's craft kit, and you have until August 7th to subscribe. If you have any questions about it, you can always email me and let me know. All right, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.